I'm getting ready to blow his goddamn brains out right fucking now.
Stop it! Stop it!
Blow my brains out.
You want me to?
No!
You want
Stop
me
it!
to?
Stop it!
Shoot me, I guarantee you'll go to jail for life.
I'm getting ready to blow his brains out and yours. I'm tired of this shit.
You're gonna blow my
I
mom.
ain't doing
You're gonna
anything
blow my
wrong.
mom's brains out? Point that gun at me again.